this is Ken. This is my most awesome first YouTube video for the Raspberry Pi Pico. So here we go.
Poured over ice, no sugar, no sweeteners, none needed.
None needed.
And as you're pouring...
All right, so if we go up here in our lesson, and I must say, Paul, this is really cool because my daughter is a freshman in high school taking algebra, and her 55-year-old dad hasn't done this in forever, but it all made sense. So I get to print this out, and we're going to run through this together as father and daughter. And here is how I got it to work. To convert this to a value of 100, I can jump over here to my Thony. And so basically I took this voltage that was here before and I called it percent. So I replaced the 3.3 with 100 there, and the 3.3 with 100 there, and I wanted to be able to round this, so I jumped over to Google and I searched and I found this really cool website that, darn it, that says, hey, how do I round in Python? And it said, hey, I could say this x equals the round and the value and the number of decimal places, and then print x. So I thought, hey, I'd never done a rem statement either. So I found that, and I added this syntax as a rem statement and their example. So I said x equals round, and I am rounding the value of percent. And then I'm just going to round it to the even number. And then I'm going to print x so that when I hit play, I can imagine me over here with my little fat fingers on my potentiometer. You see down here, the values are changing. And we'll see if I can go all the way down to 0. Here they come. And then I crank it up halfway. And I'm getting into the 40s. And I crank it all the way up to the right. And there you go. So thank you. It worked. Most excellent. And true is true. God bless. Have a great day.